Hi, I am Durga. Now I am continuing the chapter product. I have completed what is product, different types of product, consumer products and industrial products. Now product line. The broad product group within the product mix are called product line. It refers to group of closely related product items that are physically similar or intended for similar market. That means in a product manufactured by a company, it has got similar type of products. That is called product line. For example, Godrej has a product line of toilet soap comprising Sindol, Vigil, Fresca, Ganga, etc. Factors determining product line decision. First one, consumer preference. That means what are the factors determining in a product decision? Consumer preference, according to the consumer preference, the product is manufactured. Second one, the strategic tactic of competitors, and according to the base of strategy and competitors. Third one, firm's cost structure, change in demand. Fifth one, buying habit and pattern. Sixth one, marketing influences. Seventh one, product influences. Eighth one, company objective. Ninth one, product specialization. Tenth one, line modernization. That means on the base of consumer preference, the consumer preference, the products are manufactured. Second one's on the base of competition of the product. Third one on the cost structure of the product. And fourth one when there is demand for the product. And fifth one the buying habit and pattern of the consumer. Sixth one the influence of the market. Eighth one the product has got influence on consumers and the objective of the company. And ninth one is the specialization of the product. And tenth one is line modernization of the product. Product line modification. Product line modification. This refers to reducing product item. It is also termed as simplification. For example, Karnataka Soap and Detergent Limited had introduced a toilet soap named Mysore Gold, which had a cold response from the consumer, and the company had to withdraw 100 tons of soap from the market. That means the Karnataka Soap Detergent Limited has introduced a new soap named Mysore Gold, which has got no response from the consumer. So they had to withdraw from that product from the market. And B, product line expansion. It is the opposite of product contraction. That means they are widening the product. It is also called diversification. It refers to adding new product to the existing list. For example, Philip Company is good example in this regard. Similarly, Colgate introduced Colgate Gel to its list of toothpaste. That means a product is introducing and they are expanding with new attributes or elements to that product to get hold of the customers. C. Changing models or style of existing product. Consumer fashion, taste, preference, etc. are constantly changing. Necessary change should be made in the existing product according to the latest desire and needs of the consumer. This process is known as product modification. That means the consumer taste, need, preference are changing constantly. According to the changes, the consumer products must be made changes. That is called a product modification. D. Quality variation. Under certain circumstances, and manufacturer is forced to produce a particular product in different quality. That is, according to the changes, the consumers are forced to produce a product. For example, different types of products are in the market according to the quality and different prices. That is, trading up and trading down. Trading up. The process of introducing higher quality of product by a manufacturer is termed as trading up. They will be sold at a higher price. For example, in the case of Maruti Udyog Limited, they have introduced new product Maruti Esteem and Maruti Sen. And second one, trading down. The process of introducing lower quantity products in the place of higher quality product already in the market with a view to increase the sale is called trading up. It is the just opposite of trading up. That means lower quality product with lower quantity product and higher quality products. Bajaj. In the case of Bajaj, brought Sunny, Moped, etc. Product mix. A product mix is the total list of products which a firm offered to the buyers. It is the complete list of all the products offered for sale by a firm. Product mix is also called product portfolio or product range or product assortment. That means different types of products are manufactured by a single company, and that is called a product mix. For example, consider the Godrej company. It has several product lines: furniture, soap, shaving cream, shaving brush, locks, typewriter, manual and electronics, refrigerators, computers, heavy chemicals, etc. That means one company with the different types of products are manufactured. That is called the product mix. Factors influencing product mix. 1. Change in demand. This is the fundamental reason for change in the product mix. That means market demand change due to the following factors. 1. Or A. Change in population. A change in the size or composition of population will bring about a change in demand. Increase in population means increase in buyers, which generally means increase in demand. The necessity of increase in quantity of production and hence add production line and product mix. That means when population increases, there will be demand for the product. So there will be number of buyers will be increasing and there will be increase in the demand also. On that basis, there will be increase in the quantity of production and different types of product line and product mix will be there. B. Change in consumer income. When income increases, the product buying power will increase. This means the buyer are able to buy more goods. This compels the company to alter its product mix. That means when the income increases, there is buying power is increases. So then naturally the consumer are forced to buy new products and the company has to make changes in the product mix also. C. Change in consumer behavior. Demand change due to change in consumer behavior, buying pattern, etc. This compels the company to make some changes in the product mix. That means the consumer behavior is changing. On the changes of consumer behavior, the demand also changes. So the buying pattern also changes. It is a very complex for the manufacturers and to make new product and they must make changes in the product mix. 2. Marketing influence. In order to enjoy the advantage of large, a firm may increase its production up to the optimum level. When production increases, it can reduce the transportation cost and selling cost. That means market has got great influence in the consumer also. They enjoy the advantage in large. The firm increase production to its maximum level. And if the production is increases, they can reduce transportation cost as well as selling cost also. Third one, production efficiency. When the firm expands its production, it enjoys a number of economies. It can install heavy and costly machine. It can have large division of labor and specialization. It can also provide for research and development. That means if there is a demand for the product, the firm can increase its production and it will benefit them. And they can enjoy or they can install heavy machines and large division of labor, specialization, and they can conduct research and development also. Fourth one, financial influence. When the firm increases its output, it will enjoy a number of economics in finance. It can raise capital easily on favorable terms. That means when the firm increases output, they are benefiting in finance also. Their finance can be used for good terms or favorable way. Fifth one, use of waste. A company may produce by products by utilizing waste or residual materials. This brings down the cost of many products. That means company may produce different types of product. That is, if there is any waste, without eliminating that waste, they can use that product and the cost of the product is also bring down. Sixth one, competitor strategy. Before deciding the product mix, it is necessary to ensure whether the product matches the competitor strategy. That is, before deciding the product mix, we must understand the market of the product and whether it is relevant to the match of the competition product in the market. Seventh one, profitability. The company has to consider the overall impact of profitability. It is necessary to ensure whether the product improve the profit of the company. So, for all things, finance is necessary. That is, when a company produce a product, they must consider the overall profitability of the company also, or the product also. So, by getting good profit, the product can improve and can get a profit to the company also. Thank you for watching the video. We will continue the next class, and also please listen and watch and also prepare notes. Thank you once again.